Good morning. So it is officially moving day, and he's laughing at me. And crazy story, we got off to a rocky start this morning because the mover literally texted me at like 8:58 and was like, because I text him because my mom had called and I was like, hey, you know, just wanted your ETA on whatever time y'all will be here, and he said 9:06. It was like 8:58. I'm like, what? So I was like, babe, we gotta get up, they're about to be here in like 6 minutes. So we like up, and of course when you get woken out of your sleep, you're just like a little upset. So then he texted me talking about some wrong person, will be to you later on. I'm like, bro, you cannot do that, because we were literally like a hot mess. So we are getting it together. This is my room. We got the back box spring and the mattress off the bed. We just got the frame. Just a quick scan of what's left. Christmas decor, some random stuff, just random stuff everywhere. That's majority of it. Christmas tree. Of course, washer dryer. So we just trying to get it done. Look at my boo-boo.
What's up? It's early.
It's early, baby.
It's early.
I guess that can go in the trash.
You don't need it for your next
for my class. Man, I'm so tired of having school supplies. I'm just ready to get in my classroom. Acting all bashful.
Nah, just not all the way awake yet.
I know it takes him.
Talking to the people.
It takes him about 2 hours to fully wake up.
I've been up for 45 minutes only. So.
It's not been up for 45. See, guys, like me, I'm not a morning person, but it's like I could just get up and go, cause like, you know, I could just get up and go, because it's like I used to not be like this. Like when it was student teaching and you get to the school and all the kids are like, la, 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 and so you have to like be up. So I learned to just get up and go, and then that's why later I'm gonna crash. You know how I am. Like I be up and then I crash. So
it's a slow build up. And then and
then he up until like 3 a.m. and I'm like, I can't. I'm like midnight. I'm like, I'm done.
It's just a slow build up from it.
See, all. Yeah. So, woo, melting in my baby. So, yeah, we just gonna get her done.
Yeah, get it done.
Get her done. Let's go.
See country.
Hey guys, so baby and I are headed to the new place. We have our cars full and we are gonna go there. Then we gotta go to Home Depot to get a Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and something else. Oh, look at the doggy. You ready, baby? You ready? I didn't feel like taking off the tripod.
You didn't try to take it off?
I didn't feel like it.
What's up? I'm more awake now.
Yeah, he's more awake. I still give him about 30 more minutes.
30 more minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah. To be fully awake?
To be like, yeah. So we are gonna go to the new place, then to Home Depot.
Gotta unload the car. Both of them? Both cars? Or? Okay. Yep, we're gonna unload the cars, go to Home Depot.
And
I'm probably gonna get something to eat. I'm starving.
I want something to eat too. I'm just not starving.
She didn't say she wanted something to eat. She didn't say she wanted anything to eat like 20 minutes ago.
You know what? Every time I say, baby, do you want something? No, I'm good.
I don't recall. I don't recall.
Every time.
I don't recall. I don't recall.
And then every time I get it, he be like, he be looking. I be like,
let's not forget the one time.
The one time.
No. Where you literally traded plates with me.
Okay, yeah, we ordered. Well, I wanted hot wings, and he got like some Chinese food or Japanese food. And
it was bussin'.
His food came. I was like,
yeah, she was all like,
can I taste it?
Went from a taste to just a full plate swap.
I said, can I just have your food? And he ate the wings and I ate the Chinese food.
Wings were drier than the Sahara Desert.
They were dry. But you the real MVP for that one, babe.
You know, trying to match you.
Whatever. Alright.
So, let's do this.
Mwah. We're going to the new place.
Cool. Alright. Let me get there.
See ya. Wouldn't want to beat ya.
In the house to get something.
No, it looks like they just came in drunk last night and parked. Like, look at this. Like, look. That's what makes me upset.
Idiots like that.
Idiots like that make me upset. Baby is getting the TV, the big TV first.
You unlock the door?
Oh yeah, let me unlock the door. Let's go unlock the door. The baby said, "Whoo!" He's so dramatic. Let's go. Unlock the door. No more stairs. No more stairs. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. Wait, put it in the living room, baby, or the dining room. Dining room.
Oh yeah, because
nothing's going in there yet. So, this is what we're working with so far, peeps. That's what we got. Last night, I came and brought this black bookshelf. We moved all this yesterday. I brought this table. I put my microwave and my Keurig here, but I don't think I like this setup. If you guys have any other suggestions on how I could do my microwave, Keurig, coffee setup, please let me know. Put my seasonings in here, but I don't think I like this setup either, because you know how when you're getting your seasonings, you like to move stuff around. I don't really have space. So I may move it to this side and just have my spices at the bottom, my canned goods in the middle, and then my mugs at the top. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what your suggestions are. So far in here, I just put some cleaning and my medicines up there. So that's all I got. But let me go help baby get this stuff where he beat me up.
Yep. No, I'm kidding.
Let me open this blind so we can have some light. It actually gets really, really light in here when you open this big blind.
And the best part, no sunlight.
Right?
Beaming on you.
So that's like amazing, because at the place we at right now, it's like the sun is just like, especially in the bedroom, right?
Yeah.
That's why the bedroom be like kind of hot, more hot than the rest of the house.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down so we can move stuff in.
Like an evil Mexican dog.
Okay.
Like if Talk Lion was a dog, that was it.
Yes. Oh, wait, do I have to tilt this way or do I have to turn this way?
I guess it would.
Woo! Woo! I wasn't ready. Oh wait, can I play a song?
What song?
A song I want to be our first dance at our wedding. Only if you agree. Or maybe this is the song I'm gonna walk down the aisle. Baby, what's the name of it?
Your favorite one?
Yeah.
I forget. I really do, but I know it's funny.
It's not funny.
Well, play it and I'll show you.
I don't know. It be dope, dope, dopey dope, 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 dope. Ooh, Domino's. I like that thin crust. Man, that Pizza Hut, that thick crust, it wasn't all that. It wasn't, was it?
I felt like it was literally bread and
Dough.
cheese.
Yeah.
Like I didn't really taste the sauce.
Right, and it's like, it's literally so doughy. Like, why I gotta be so doughy? We going to Home Depot first, or we going to the bank first, or we going to get food first? Let's go to the bank first.
Yeah, then get food.
And then get food.
Then on the way back, Home Depot.
Let's check my account.
Well, I can spot us. Or why are they all the way like that?
Why are they all the way like what?
Turned on what the car.
Oh, that car, because they probably turned out of there.
Oh.
You know what I mean? And it didn't have like much room.
Mm.
I didn't charge my phone last night. Did you?
I don't think so.
Mine is like dead.
But again, I need to get another charge.
Yo, it's hot. We at the mall.
You should have said, yo, yippee, yo, yay.
I do that to my mom, don't I? It's hot.
Sun hitting you right. The white shirt on too. You look bright out here.
I look bright.
Look bright.
Let's go get some food. What we gonna get?
Food that you eat. See, that answer's annoying, ain't it?
Food that you eat.
No, you mocking yourself.
Can anybody guess what mall we're at? Let's walk in. We're gonna see if anybody can guess what mall we're at.
If they're from Georgia.
Well, are they from Georgia? That's what I'm saying. A lot of people are from Georgia.
We just walked. Oh, I was gonna say, like, we just walked in.
Well, I can tell you what a mall is by walking in.
I mean, I thought you should have the camera on you.
Oh.
I was like, we just walked to the pizza.
What mall we at? What mall are we at, peeps? I think I'm gonna get Great Wraps. Back there.
Okay. I don't need. That's what I meant. Alright, ready? Dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for waking us up this morning with blood warming our veins and activities of my life. Thank you for allowing us to be able to be productive today. Watch over us and all the luggage. Protect us, keep us safe, workers safe, the movers safe. No accidents can come near any of us, Father God. Let this be a smooth process. We just praise you and honor you. Thank you for the food that we're about to receive. Bless us prepare this food on the earth to our bodies to provide in your holy name. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. There's no hands in the time.
What up, peeps? So we are done. Well, not official. Woo! Not official.
What up, peeps?
What up, peeps? We're not officially done moving, but pretty much like 90% done. So
I'm tired.
baby,
I knew
I should not have fed him before it was time. Literally, he was baby
exhausted.
what? You are not a good camera person.
You're right, I'm not. I'm horrible.
Baby, wait, come here. Give me the freaking camera.
Talk to the people. Talk to the
You goofy.
Talk to the people.
So we are done moving for the day. The movers came at like what 1:45. We were done at 3:30. They moved everything out, so we just have a few more things to move. And then tomorrow my mom is coming. Don't get too close. And we're gonna clean. And what else, baby? We started unpacking today, so that's working. What else, baby? Here.
All we have to do is set up the. All we have to do now is set up the washer and dryer.
The washer's set up. We just gotta get the dryer.
Put the bed together. Y'all really don't care about this.
They.
You bored as fuck.
You look goofy. It wasn't even funny.
Yes. Get that thing away.
Man, forget you. Goodbye.
Why we giving them a list of things we gotta
Because, baby, they wouldn't be interested.
Oh, okay. Okay, can we do it?
No, we're not editing nothing.
Okay, so cool.
All right, y'all. Excuse me.
So y'all gotta be bored out your mind.
Go away. Get away from me.
Oh, yeah, but on a serious note.
No, get away from me.
Get over here.
Get away from me. Are we putting you on me? Your whole body on me? So,
She loves me.
this is it for today. Tomorrow, I will come to you guys again. My mom will be here. We are going to...
Mom wants to be on camera.
My mom, she don't care. So, we are going to finish unpacking tomorrow. Me and my mom are going to decorate some. We're going to come clean up this old place. And that's going to be it. And I won't put him in the vlog tomorrow.
Yes, you will.
For your sanity and your sake. And my sanity and my sake.
She's crazy. She's
Bye-bye
crazy.
now.
Bye.